Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.9, Problem 1. This is Section 4.9, Problem 1. It says if Ken invests $2,000 at 8% simple interest, how much interest will he earn in 4 years? So the first thing you have to do is determine which of the two formulas from this section you need to use. There's a simple interest formula and a compound interest formula. And the question says simple interest. So that tells you the simple interest formula is the one you need, which is I equals PRT. So to fill that in, I is the interest earned, P is for principal, or the initial amount of the investment, which is $2,000 from here. The next R is the rate as a decimal. So this 8%, you can't put in 8, you have to put in 0.08. That's 8% as a decimal. T is the time in years. T is time for years. The time in years is 4 years. And now you have to multiply. So now, if your teacher will allow you to use a calculator, and most teachers do for this section, you just simply turn on your calculator, enter 2,000 times 0.08 times 4. 2,000 times 0.08 will give you 160. 160 times 4 tells you 640. So in that 4-year period, Ken earned $640 worth of interest. So if you want to do a nice job, you can write it in terms of money, put a dollar symbol in there, and include the fact that there's no cents, no pennies, $640.